This is the red oak half of a tabletop, and I'm dowel pinning it today with a 3/8 diameter red oak dowel. So I've got it on the Felder FD250, 1500 RPM with a brad point bit in the chuck. And so here we go. About 1.25 inches. So I'll step this. There's 3 dowel pins across in each side. Now I've arrived at the center point by registering the other side of the table, which is the top of the table, onto the bed of the horizontal boring machine. So you're seeing the underside of the table at this viewing. That way I'm registered in and everything should line up right on the money. I'd say probably within 2 or 3 thousandths of adjustments top to top, so I won't have to sand it or mill it anymore. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.